Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. In today's video, I want to talk about this big down channel and a very big bearish panic as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and we can see that we are moving inside this down channel since October 2021, and even after several attempts, we are not able to break out this resistance of the down channel. Right now, we are again moving up to break this resistance, and this time the probability is very high to break out the resistance, because again, if we take a look at the RSI, then we can see even after previous history, the recent history is showing us that whenever this RSI is moving above 50, the price line is making the powerful attempts to break out the resistance of this channel. Like here we moved above 50 here, and the price line rallied to this resistance of the channel. Again, we moved above 50 here, the price line made another attempt to break out this resistance, and here as well. And right now, the price line did not reach the support. Previously, we can see every time it was reaching the support, and then RSI was moving up and crossing the 50 level. Now RSI is crossing up the 50 level, even crossed up the 50 level, and we did not reach the support. We are very close to the resistance of this down channel. Now, if we take a look at the closer look at this resistance, that is approximately here at $3.3. Now, after the breakout, the target for this channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $8.50. And we have also found another uptrend line support here. Therefore, the price line is not touching the support of the channel this time, and there is also a formation of a symmetrical triangle as well, and the target for this triangle can be here. If I place it at the breakout point, that can be approximately at 6.40 cents. So you can for the short-term trade, you can also target here as well, or you can also hold it until it will not hit the target for this down channel. Now let's take a look at the bigger pennant that I was showing you in my previous video as well, and you can see that the price line has formed a very big, huge bearish pennant on the weekly time frame chart. Right now we are just getting bounced by the support of this bearish pennant, and there is also a kind of double bottom formation as well at this $2.20 approximately. The price line moved down, moved up, and moved down and moved up again. Before that, we had a double bottom formation here as well, and the price line was not able to break out the resistance. It was rejected. But the point to be noted here is that we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, we can expect that the price line can easily break out the resistance of this bearish pennant. And now if we take a look at the target, first let me show you where the resistance of this bearish pennant is approximately at $4.30. The resistance for this down channel is at $3.30 approximately here. Let me place this same trend line here on this weekly time frame chart. First we have this resistance of the down channel, then we will need to break out this bigger resistance for a very big move. Now the target for this very big bearish pennant can be here at the top of the pennant. That will be approximately at $15. So we need to keep an eye on this move. We are about to have a breakout. There will be a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the down channel. Then we can expect this bigger move as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.